Unit 1. Concepts of health, physical fitness, wellness, exercise, and physical activity. Lesson 1. Concepts of health and its related terms. Learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, you're expected to define health, optimal health, and healthy lifestyle. Acquire the concepts of holistic health, holistic wellness, and quality of life. Support the activity on healthy lifestyle test. Introduction. This lesson emphasizes health as a state of well-being, involving self-responsibility and conscious choices. College PotFit students understand health as a holistic concept that includes optimal health, holistic wellness, and holistic health. It aims to help students make informed decisions, manage stress, promote positive health behaviors, enhance quality of life, and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Learning contents. Concept of health. The World Health Organization defines health as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. In the context of PotFit 1, this broad concept emphasizes an active lifestyle that includes physical fitness, mental clarity, emotional stability, and positive social interactions to enable effective daily functioning and overall quality of life. Physical health. In PotFit 1, physical health refers to the proper functioning of the body systems, which includes maintaining a healthy weight, getting enough sleep, eating a balanced diet, and engaging in regular physical activity. Spiritual health. In PotFit 1, spiritual health refers to developing a sense of meaning, purpose, and inner peace through your beliefs, values, and connection to something greater than yourself, which may or may not involve religion. It includes your faith, belief in higher power, your inner strength and vitality, your purposeful living, and hopefulness. Mental or intellectual health. Mental or intellectual health in PotFit 1 refers to the ability to process information, think critically, cope with the normal stresses of life, work with creativity and productively, enhance personal or professional development, and contribute to one's community. Social health. In PotFit 1, social health refers to the developing of positive traits for group interaction and community adjustment, such as friendliness, cooperation, respect, sportsmanship, and leadership through physical activities and team-based sports. This aspect centers on the quality of one's relationship and the ability to interact effectively with others, build strong social support networks, and contribute to one's community. Emotional health. In PotFit 1, emotional health refers to the ability to be aware of, accept, and appropriately express your own emotions, as well as to develop positive emotional responses, self-esteem, and coping skills through physical activities. Participation in games, sports, and dances provides avenues for self-expression, emotional mastery, stress relief, and personal growth, ultimately contributing to overall emotional and mental well-being. In addition, health is a dynamic process that involves adaptation and balance, influenced by environmental, social, and personal factors. Philman 2023. By developing long-lasting habits and practices, Dennett 2023, based on successful habits in three crucial areas: diet, exercise, and lifestyle, Kopisch 2024, one can attain optimal health. These statements accurately describes a modern comprehensive understanding of health. Health is not a static state, but a dynamic process of adapting and balancing physical, mental, and social well-being to life's ever-changing conditions. Environmental, social, and personal factors are all crucial determinants of health, significantly influencing an individual's ability to adopt, maintain balance, and achieve well-being across their lifespan. The idea that developing long-lasting habits in diet, exercise, and lifestyle lead to optimal health is accurate and well established in the medical community. To attain optimal health, you should establish lasting, gradual habits in diet, exercise, and lifestyle. As suggested by authors Dennett, Kopisch, focusing on sustaining change rather than trying to implement all habits at once is key. For healthy diet, increase your intake of whole foods like fruits and vegetables. Incorporate regular physical activity, aiming for at least 300 minutes of moderate to high intensity exercise per week, but also making time for light activity to offset the risk of sedentary lifestyle. In terms of lifestyle, managing stress, getting adequate sleep, and maintaining positive social connections are crucial components of a holistic approach to wellness. Optimal health. Optimal health is a holistic approach that emphasizes achieving the highest potential of mental, physical, emotional, spiritual, and social well-being. Markland 2024. Optimal health in PATFIT 1 is achieved by enhancing the health-related components of physical fitness, including cardiovascular endurance, muscular strength, muscular endurance, flexibility, and body composition. It involves participating in moderate to vigorous physical activities, in understanding proper nutrition for energy and growth, and developing self-discipline and confidence to promote healthy and active lifestyle that leads to a better quality of life. Holistic health. Holistic health considers several aspects of an individual's life, including body, mind, and spirit. Westner 2024. Holistic health also encourages more healthy ways of handling stress. Additionally, putting holistic health first increases your chances of leading a healthy lifestyle, which could improve your quality of life. Holistic health in PATFIT 1 is approached by integrating physical fitness with other dimensions, such as body, mind, and spirit, through various physical activities like dance, movement enhancement, and aerobic exercises. The course aims to build a foundation for a healthy lifestyle by promoting discipline, body awareness, movement efficiency, and an understanding of nutrition, leading to a well-rounded and lifelong approach to health and wellness. Holistic wellness. Holistic wellness involves actively seeking optimal health by making intentional decisions and participating in activities that benefit all areas of health. Walters 2023. Each of these components can influence our overall wellness to different extents. A minor disruption in one dimension can create a cascading effect on others, potentially leading to increased worries and stress. This approach focuses on achieving overall wellness and addressing root causes of illness, not just symptoms, by integrating practices to promote balance and harmonious life. Morning rituals for holistic wellness. Wake up early. Rise with the sun to make the most of the day's energy. Hydrate. Start your day by drinking a glass of warm water to kickstart your metabolism. Mindful movement. Engage in some form of physical exercise like yoga or Tai Chi. Express gratitude. Write down 3 things you're grateful for to attract more positivity into your life. Spiritual reading. Spend a few minutes reading a spiritual text or listening to a video that inspires you. Ground yourself. Spend a few moments grounding your energy by connecting with the earth. Affirmation. Speak or write down positive affirmation to set the tone for your day. Set intentions. Set clear intentions for what you wish to achieve or how you want to feel. Meditate. Take 5 to 10 minutes to meditate to set a calm tone for the day. Quality of life. Quality of life describes a person's total state of well-being, which includes their degree of satisfaction with their circumstances, as well as their physical, mental, and social health. In like manner, Cholle and Bardwaj believe that a person's quality of life includes relationships, work, health, and personal goals. Quality of life is positively impacted by the principles taught in PATFIT 1, as they promote physical fitness through regular physical activity, leading to benefits such as increased energy, better mood, stronger bones and muscles, better management of body fat and weight, improved daily functions, reduced risk of chronic diseases, and enhanced overall physical, mental, and emotional well-being. A healthy lifestyle. A healthy lifestyle involves the capability to lead a meaningful and purposeful existence. Fellman 2023. A healthy lifestyle requires frequent exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep every night. Davidson 2022. Adopting a healthy lifestyle is more beneficial than expecting the onset of disease or health problem. A healthy lifestyle within the context of PATFit1 involves integrating the principles of physical fitness, movement, and overall wellness into your daily life to improve your physical, mental, emotional, social, and spiritual well-being. This encompasses engaging in regular physical activity like walking, sports, and dance, practicing good nutrition, ensuring adequate sleep, and developing positive relationship and mental habits. PodFit1 teaches you these concepts to build a foundation for a healthy and fulfilling life beyond the course. As a summary of this lesson, holistic health is a holistic approach that encompasses mental, physical, emotional, spiritual, and social well-being. It involves balanced nutrition, exercise, social engagement, and spiritual development. It promotes stress management and a healthier lifestyle, focusing on the body, mind, and spirit. Quality of life includes satisfaction with circumstances, relationships, work, health, and personal goals. A healthy lifestyle includes regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep, providing a purposeful existence beyond health issues or disease. This is the end of lesson 1. Have a good day.